Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video, we will be unboxing the Vivo Y16, and this is a new budget phone from Vivo which is costing around 50,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. And guys, I am saying you in the start, and the specification in this phone, it is not acceptable in this price range. So right from the start, I don't recommend the Vivo Y16, but still I want to show you that what is Vivo has you offer in this phone exactly. And the main highlight, I would say, in my opinion, about the Vivo Y16 is the design language. This phone has really beautiful design language. So now let's quickly unbox the Vivo Y16. And on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. We have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the back we have dual cameras, and we have 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage. Not acceptable in this price range. I don't know what is Vivo is doing in the Pakistan market. So the color I have, dazzling gold color. This phone also available in the black color, but the gold color looks more beautiful in my opinion. So first let me remove the plastic. So Vivo Y16, I would say the price of this phone should be around 35,000 PKR, but this phone is really overpriced. One of the most overpriced phone in the Pakistan market, because the specification it is not acceptable. So on the top we have our device. So now let's start the phone from this box. So you can see that I am talking about this phone. So this phone has really beautiful design language. So on the back we have a dual cameras in this dual camera layout. So the gold color looks absolutely beautiful. So this phone has a completely flat frame. Again, the back is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. We have fingerprint scanner on the side. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So on the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed on this phone. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So I am expecting that it does not have any silicone case. Not acceptable in this price range. Also we have our charger, and guys, and this is a 10-watt adapter. This phone should have a 44-watt fast charging. We have a USB Type-C to USB-A cable and a semi-ejection tool. No hand-free with this phone. So every single thing about this phone, it is really disappointing. Speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. So on this side we have nothing. On the top we have a SIM tray. So I don't see any noise cancellation microphone. So it is a triple slot, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also we have a rubber inside the SIM tray. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button which also work as a fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have a dual cameras on this phone, and the main sensor on the back is a 13 megapixel, as you can see in the 50,000 PKR. Also we have 2 megapixel macro, as you can see. Again, the design language looks absolutely beautiful. I would say the main highlight, you have LED flash, and this part of the camera layout is a glossy finish. I don't feel any lines that you can see in the video. Now let's talk about the display. So this phone has a 6.5-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60 Hz refresh rate, and the display is also really bad on this phone with a water drop notch. And look at the bottom chin, and the bottom chin, it is the biggest I would say I seen in this price range. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So here is the first boot of the Vivo Y16. So here is the notification area looks like, no NFC. So now let's go to the settings and let's see Android version. So we have Android 12 with Fun Touch OS version 12, MediaTek Helio P35. We should see a Snapdragon 680 at least, or a Helio G96, but we are getting old Helio P35. So we have 64 GB of internal storage out of 47.17 GB it is available for you guys. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10-watt normal charging with this phone. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has a 13 megapixel main camera, and we have super macro mode which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens. The quality, it is completely trash. We have portrait mode, panorama, back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. And the more section we have live photo, pro mode, and documents. No slow motion, no night mode on this phone. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 5 megapixel selfie camera in the 50,000 PKR price range. Front camera is completely trash, as well as the back camera not acceptable in this price range. We have portrait mode, and the front camera also shoots Full HD at 30 fps. So in the mode section, the front camera does not have anything. So now let's talk about the battery size. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10-watt normal charging. So this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And again, with a 10-watt normal charging, and this phone will take 3 hours to fully charge. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Vivo Y16. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The one thing it is really special about this phone is the design language. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.